This 2017 Forest River Georgetown 31R is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features LP detector, smoke detector, water heater, slide-out, oven, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, leveling jacks, TV, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front kitchen, front living area, mid-bath, rear bedroom. This 2017 Forest River Georgetown 31R is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Triton V10 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.